Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create perfect nails in Dress to Impress. So you might think that nails is not important on your outfit, but it might become impactful or can elevate your outfits if you use it right. So here through this video, I'm going to show you how you can paint your nails or do some nail art. First, you just need to head to this Lana Salon. You can just enter the salon, and on the left side in here, you might not see it, you might miss it, but there's this little nail art shop on the left side. You can just go in here and tap on the left icon, and you'll see the nail art shop here. You can first select a design for your nails. You can just choose which one that you might think fits with your outfits, and here you can also change the color to the one that you like. You can always change the style also, and in here you can also use pattern to elevate your nail art. Here you can choose the right pattern and also color for your nails. Just choose the one maybe that fits into your dress, for example, and when you are done you can just jump on it, and that was it. That's how you can create perfect nails in Dress to Impress to elevate your outfit. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.